Are you telling him, Coda? Are you telling him? Go ahead and tell him. Ranger. He's telling you with depth. Oh. You guys can just hear how deep. What? It's my socks, right? And your red t-shirt, and I'm pretty sure he's got a ball over there. He don't care right now. You sound so sad. He don't get it. I think he does know that ownership is 9/10 the law, though. And I'm not sure whining will win. But you're really good at it. Kinda handsome, like your side is like doing so. You don't cry and you're crying. You're killing Mama's sleep, baby. I don't know what to do about this. Noodle boy, I think you're gonna have to move. Did my strong boy? Well, I'm glad you're not barking. You were earlier. Ranger. You telling him to get out of your bed, baby? Huh? You telling him to get out of your bed? Huh? I love you so much, Bubba. I love you too, Noodle. But you're killing your uncle. Yeah, this is nothing. Don't worry. Don't bite it. I know. I gotta clean up your eyes.